what you saw previously is our business model canvas. Before we continue our explanation about our business, allow me to introduce our company to you. So our company's name is Popcorn Mania and our slogan is Popping in Your Heart. So Popcorn Mania was established by five of us together as partners in early September 2021. Popcorn Mania is small batch sellers of ENG's popcorn with unique flavors. Our company's goal is to achieve nationwide customers in future. So now my teammates will explain further information about our business.
Greetings, madam. I'm Arishankar Kanabadi. Now I'm gonna explain about the BMC of Popcorn Mania Company. So the first element is key partnership. The first point is ENG popcorn supplier have a huge important role at every stage of product life cycle of Popcorn Mania business. Example, they supply two variety of popcorn flavors and from sourcing raw material to helping ramp up the production. The second point is Shopee. Shopee is our Popcorn Mania business leading e-commerce platform because they are providing customers with easy, secure and fast online shopping through strong payment and fulfillment support. The third point is family. Our family members are willing to contribute their own financial resource when we start our business, decrease costs and expenditures while strengthening financial resource capability for the business. The second element is customer segment. The first point is all age groups. We are selling our popcorn to all age groups because our popcorn contain more nutrition fact and no health risk. The second point is local market size. We are selling our popcorn to entire Penang, so you can use e-commerce platform like Shopee to order our popcorn. So you can easily get your popcorn at your doorsteps. The third point is geographical location. This is because due to COVID-19 pandemic, many people can't go cinema and have cravings on popcorn. So that's the reason we are start the Popcorn Mania business. And the last point is kids and teenagers are the main customer of Popcorn Mania business because teenagers and kids are more like snacks to eat like popcorn. So that's all. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I introduce myself. My name is Ashwini and now I'm going to present about the value proposition and key activities. In value proposition, it consists of 5 values. We all provide fast and efficient service to the customers. Next, the popcorn price is very reasonable according to the flavors. You can accept a broad of range quality products. Our products is 100% no health risk contents and all will be used as natural products and ingredients. I move to the key activities. The activities involve advertising, sales and delivery. We will place menu on the advertising throughout the social media like Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp because this is the best way to introduce our new brands and flavors to reach the customers. Our staff will be place the order and based on the customer's order to proceed the sales. We also provide a door-to-door delivery to the nearest customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I'm Sandhya Lichmanan. I'm going to explain another 2 elements of Business Canva module. We are using social media to reach our customer by Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp as well because it is most relevant and critical channel basis. These help us to stay in with customers so that we can improve our time to time. Secondly, cost structure. Cost structure defines cost expenses that our company while operating our business. The first cost structure is popcorn cost. We are spending money to buy Popcorn Mania from main dealer. The next is packaging cost. We are willing to package our product to look so perfect and convenient because it can easily attract customers to buy. The last one is delivery cost. We are providing our products to all our states except Sabah and Sarawak and also we charge delivery cost depend on the distance.
So now we are going to see the key resources of our business. Firstly, product. The product that we are selling is popcorn, which comes in 2 flavors which is strawberry and caramel. Next is brand. The brand of our popcorn is ENG's Popcorn, which is famous around Malaysia. 5 of us works as a team to do this business. And next is supplier. The dealer of ENG Popcorn is our supplier. So now we are going to see about customer relationship. Customer relationship plays a huge role in every businesses. So to maintain a good customer relationship, we will follow a famous business code, which is customer is always right. We will ask for our customers' feedback and fix our flaws that makes our customers unsatisfied. Next is good customer service. We will make sure that we answer our customers' questions and to their orders politely and as soon as possible. We will make sure we provide a customer-friendly service.
The system for our popcorn business is online banking, Touch 'n Go, and cash. Online banking is an app for you use for the cash transfers. Touch 'n Go is the wallet, digital wallet we top up it and pay with it. Cash is a normal process, the exchange process. So, in conclusion, Popcorn Mania is a new business company that have a goal to be one of a successful business company nationwide. We believe that our product has a good demand in current market, so we believe our product has a great potential to be successful in near future. Thank you.